And again for mommy. Go ahead. Do it again. Go ahead. That's a good boy. Adam, shut that light for mommy. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Adam. Adam? You gonna shut that light? Huh? Adam. Go ahead. Shut that light. Here we go. Come on. You see it? Go ahead. You do it. Go ahead. You do it. You do it. Adam. Do it for mommy. I know you want to. Go ahead. Good boy, Adam. Yeah, you are such a good little boy. Yes, you are. You know it, don't you? You know it, don't you? Huh? Yes, you are mommy's good boy. You're so smart. You are so smart. You want another treat, don't you? Huh? Yeah. All right, come on. You want to get a treat? You want to do it again? No, that's enough. Come on, you want to go get a treat? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.